Hey everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through how to create icon atoms and custom icons in a design system, all within Figma. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to take an icon from concept to a reusable component that's ready to drop into your projects. If you've ever felt lost on how to manage or customize icons in Figma, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First up, open Figma as you normally would. Figma is the core playground for any designer looking to build and manage interface assets. If you're already in a project, great. If not, just create a new one so you can follow along without worrying about messing anything up. Taking this small step gets us set up to work flexibly and helps avoid cluttering up existing designs. Next, we're going to use a Figma plugin called Icons 8, which is one of my favorite resources for quickly finding high-quality icons that play nicely with Figma's vector system. To access it, just go up to the top menu and click on Plugins. If you haven't installed Icons 8 before, just search for it under Browse Plugins and hit Install. It's super straightforward. Once it's open, browse or search for the icon that fits your need. Maybe you want a simple arrow, a heart, or something more unique to your brand. Browse with a purpose. Think about your design's tone and what kind of shapes will work across multiple uses. After you've picked the perfect icon, go ahead and drop it right onto your canvas. Now here, where the real customization begins. We're going to cover it with a rectangle. Select the Shape tool, draw a rectangle right over the icon, and then change the rectangle's fill color to match your brand palette or the context you'll be using it in. This step is about flexibility. Maybe you want to make the icon pop on a dark background or fit in with your brand's accent color. Don't be afraid to experiment. This extra touch is what helps your icons stand out and feel truly yours. Once your rectangle's in place, select both the rectangle and the icon. Now it's time to use the mask function. Click the mask icon at the top and Figma will apply the rectangle as a mask to your icon. What this does is clip the icon to the shape of the rectangle, so only what's inside the rectangle is visible. Think of masking like cutting out a picture with scissors, nice, crisp edges, and everything outside the lines disappears. But we don't want our icon to feel lost, so next, let's add a frame around it. Select both the masked icon and rectangle, then right-click and choose Frame Selection. This puts everything neatly into its own container, which is super helpful for organization. Think of a frame like a neatly labeled folder, keeping all the pieces together and easy to move as one unit. Here, where it gets really powerful, click the Create Component button at the top right of your interface. This tells Figma to treat your new icon as a reusable building block, a true atom in your design system. Components are Figma's way of letting you repeat an element, like your new icon, across your entire project. And if you ever need to change it, you just update the component and every copy stays in sync. Now when you pop over to the Assets panel, you'll find your new icon component ready to drag and drop wherever you want. It's that simple and that powerful, and that's it. You've just created a custom icon atom for your design system in Figma, complete with your own colors and perfectly uniform framing. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment if you have any questions or want to share what you made, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow Figma and design system tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing!